best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. And the tears come streaming down your face.
Okay, I just want to show you really quick while you're doing that. This is my main concern, is it keeps flipping out. It did that before when I was wrapping it myself.
And this bandage that's on it right now, is this from us or from
you?
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High up above or down below.
Is that 2 inch or 3 inch?
When you're too low to let it go.
It would take 4 or 3. Okay.
But if you never
I want to
try,
make sure so I have the right size.
just watch your world. Lights will guide you home.
It's gonna soak it. I feel like it's gonna be so stuck.
Ignite your bones. I will try to fix you.
I think it is enough.
Okay, sterile saline for the sticking right there. Soaking it with tabs with
See a stream down your face. When you lose something you cannot replace. See a stream down your face. See a stream down your face. I promise you I'll learn from my mistakes. See a stream down your face. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
I think you can do it for a second just to like get it dry. Okay.
What you're taking off right now, that's not the casting.
This is,
It is,
yes.
The
Because I ordered a bunch of that on Amazon.
When you
Pass
get
padding, yeah.
what you want, but not what you need. When you
kept this
feel
bandage on well.
so tired, but you can't sleep.
Surprisingly.
Yep, that e-collar did the trick.
Yep.
Stuck in rivers.
This is where it is crusted.
And the tears come streaming down your face.
I know, it's going home.
When you lose something you can't
Yeah.
when you love someone but it goes to waste.
That's right.
The owners are supposed to be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes of walking.
Lights will guide
Sounds like it's not
So this layer
So
is
at home I
telling you.
can't just drench it with that stuff so it'll come off? Just
The
right
whole
here.
point is that as we peel it off, it's supposed to pull off some of the gunk that's built up.
Oh, but you said not too much.
Yeah,
right?
we want it to
Okay.
pull off some of those because there's still going to be turnover of cells there, and the
Okay.
dead stuff has to come off with it.
Okay.
I love your tie dye. I forgot mine. I'm saying whatever.
I think this is good on our right end.
when you're too loved to let it go.
Oh, if I can look
But
at it.
if you
And
never
just so you see, like this is within the realm of normal.
Oh, this is normal. Okay.
just what you
For the wound log.
So iodine or betadine.
Yeah, that's the safest thing that you can use at home.
Can I get that at CVS or anywhere?
Okay, and you want to make it till it's the color of like really tea.
Okay.
You know, you don't want to put it in here.
Okay. That's what you're telling me to do with water.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not sure if it's okay.
And she may or may not allow that at home. You know,
I know.
like how she is. Like this is all like
Yeah.
best laid plans.
I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna do some.
It was a hematoma, and she dug at it, and it popped, and it fell. It actually disappeared, like a golf ball, and it fell right down here, and this was a new dentation.
I'm gonna put notes together. I told them they was gonna do it. You said Amos hasn't called me back?
Is that slide Brian? Thank you. Is the little fan on it?
Now I'm gonna put
Start with the edges.
lights will guide you home. And
this is saline.
Yeah, this is like the equivalent of sterile warm water.
I will try to fix you.
And we like a nice pressure on this as well.
Which
And
at
she's
home,
doing a little bit of pressure on it.
at home, you probably won't be able to achieve this. So if she lets you, it'll be a matter of like, can you use some warm water and clean gauze and give it a quick swipe? You know, just to clean the surface off.
When you
I think the first few days I'm going to be taking her to the vet.
Yes.
I mean, they don't open until Tuesday, so what am I have to do? Or come back here, right?
That's exactly
I
right.
might have to.
That's exactly right. And then after that, as the wound starts to heal, she'll let you do more at home too.
True.
Because the wound will toughen up over time.
This is the crucial time, though. That's why I'm thinking it might be worth it for
I
me
know. I
to
was
just
so
drive
glad
back
to
here.
see you this morning. Yes. Nice.
I've never seen that happen.
I've never seen that out either.
I've never seen that.
One more.
Sorry. I'm trying to close your eyes.
So today's Saturday, so I'd have to come here. They open Tuesday, so I'd have to come tomorrow, Sunday, and
Ideally.
Tuesday. Okay,
Tuesday,
then
your
there-
place opens.
Yeah.
Just gonna clean up some of this.
Thank you.
Add oil to it, but just turn it on.
Yep. Michelle, are you an inpatient? Oh, say Lux came back in. That little Chinese crested mystery. Did they use Tanuka the first time?
But if you never try, you'll never know just what you were.
Hey, this is the honey.
Like in the middle. This is why I use a second bowl. Like a touch more. Okay, that's fine. Put that all over. This is the calcium alginate. It's kind of like a dressing. And we fold it because we don't want it to come off of the wound. We want it to all be within the wound.
So she told me to use non-stick pad. This doesn't look like a non-stick pad. So can I use a non-stick pad or do I need to use
So that will be after this.
So do I need to use this, what you're using?
If you don't have access to this, then that's okay. Just use the non-stick
Okay.
pad.
I will try.
So this would go on just like
I
that.
think the important part of this is going to be the soaking to get it off.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So just being
okay.
really slow about,
Okay.
just kind of compresses like
Got
we were
it.
doing earlier.
And they don't need to be super long compresses, just enough so that we can get this off.
Okay.
So you can see here, like I
Yeah.
went like to the edges, but not all the way.
Okay.
And just like that.
Okay.
And then next is the non-stick pad.
When you try your best, but
Okay.
Next on stick or non-stick pads are next.
When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you
And this is the
feel
one
so
where
tired,
we
but
can
you
make
can't
this a little bit.
sleep.
So
Stuck in river.
we have scissors to cut these actually.
Where do you corner do you want?
And the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to
Alright,
waste.
I feel like this is good. This is good coverage right here. Okay.
Do you want
2 rolls of casting tape.
Lights
you want 3 inch or 4 inch? Because I saw I couldn't tell earlier it looked like 4,
Yeah.
but
3 or 4 inch.
yeah, maybe this is 4. Building 3.
It looks like
Let's do 3.
Okay, I'll go with that because I don't think it might
And what do I call this?
stretch out.
Stretch
Yes.
gauze. Okay. Tell my Amazon order comes.
And again, we don't want to be too tight with this.
Just what you
And we're just going to follow that same pattern.
Follow the same pattern.
lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you.
And you don't have to adhere it with anything. You just put the next bandage on it.
Yep, exactly. Let's do one more. No. No, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna do
Okay, not one more. There's one of those on there, right? Of this. Okay. I just want to put my finger and feel how tight it is. Okay.
that. So we want it snug, but not tight. And so for the vet wrap, our trick to make sure that it doesn't cinch too much is we actually
Open it.
unravel
That's what I
it.
have to do too. Otherwise it gets too tight.
Exactly. And that's what we do.
Oh, that's totally what I was thinking.
Yep, just doing that wrap.